If you are somebody that takes their privacy very seriously to the point where you don't want to browse the internet or access anything online unless you have your VPN activated, because you want to ensure that your VPN is encrypting your traffic, maybe you want to change your public IP address, then I would say in all examples, it's essential to have a VPN kill switch. Now what the kill switch does is, if for whatever reason your VPN crashes or stops working, or there's a break in the connectivity, it blocks your internet connection. So you really know on your device, if I'm not going through a VPN, I'm not going to be accessing anything online. Now recently IPVanish released a free application giving you this VPN kill functionality. That was the initial release and there were a few bugs with it, and in the last few days they've now released an update addressing some of those issues. Now to get this free VPN kill switch, you can just go to your Amazon App Store, go to find, you can click on search. Let's try the voice, VPN kill switch. Give that a second. Okay, so we have some movies that match that, but if you keep scrolling down, we can see now we have this free application from IPVanish. And as it says here, that enhance your IPVanish on Fire TV with their dedicated kill switch. This safeguards your online data with an extra layer of protection. Let's click on get, which is a free download. And I'm doing this demonstration on my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. That's now done. Let's click on open. Okay, so this tool now blocks your internet connection. So as I was saying, it just ensures that you are going through a VPN server, your device is encrypting that traffic, and if for whatever reason it can't do that, it will ensure that you can't access anything online. Let's click on continue. Let's log into IPVanish. That's now logged in, so let's click on settings. Here we can just see the app info. Let's click on that. Just tells you those basic features again. Here you can request the VPN permission if the VPN kill switch is not working. So let's click on that and let's click on OK. This now has the permission. So I think we're pretty much set now, guys. So let's go back. Let's now activate the kill switch. Okay, so the kill switch is now on. Internet connection is blocked. Let's now test that. If I press home, let's see if I can access YouTube. Let's click on that, give that a second, and it says it cannot connect now. So because my VPN is not running, because I don't have a secure connection to a VPN server, I basically can't access anything online. I can click on try again, give that a second, and that's not going to work. So that's not working. Let's press back. Let's try another application. Let's try Prime Video. Click on that. And again, we can see in all cases, because I don't have any VPN running, I can try and log in, but my connection should be blocked, which means this content should not load. Let's give that a second. I won't edit this out just so you can see how long it takes. But you can already see that it's not loading properly because that connection is now being blocked by that IPVanish kill switch. Yeah, that's not working. Now let's press home. Let's try one last app and then I'll enable my VPN and we can see that all of this connectivity will then automatically be restored. What application can I try? Let's try maybe Silk. Let's click on that. Give that a second. Let's try this popular streaming site. I'm sure you guys can see the URL. And we can see that's not loading. Okay, so yeah, the site could not be reached. So internet connection, outbound connectivity, everything is completely blocked on my device, ensuring that maximum privacy. How do we fix it? Well, what I need to do now is press the home button. If I now activate my VPN, let's open that up. Okay, so I'm now connected. We can see I have a new IP address. I can now press the home button. And now, for example, if I try YouTube, we can see straight away that connection is now restored. I can now watch all of my favorite videos. Similarly, if I press home, and this time let's try Prime Video. And that's also working fine because my device is now encrypting traffic. Everything is going through a secure server, a secure VPN server, And because of that, I can ensure my privacy, I can make sure my data is fully protected, and of course I can access any content that I like. Let's do that final test, which was browsing. Go back to Silk. This time let's just refresh the page or click on reload. And we can now see this website loads straight away, and I can see all of this streaming content on here. That's working fine. Let's press home. So you can see, guys, if you are somebody that really wants to ensure that complete protection, just wants to ensure that without a VPN, doesn't want to access anything online, doesn't want to use any applications unless that VPN is up and running, then I really do think that a VPN kill switch is essential for that privacy and just to ensure that everything that you do is fully protected online. Now, if you are looking for a superb offer to take advantage of this free VPN kill switch, right now there really is a special deal. You can get a huge discount where you get that total protection for unlimited devices. So it doesn't matter if you have a few Fire Sticks or 10 Android TVs or 3 laptops, all of your devices can be protected with a single license. You can then change your IP address, you can access geo-locked content and really just protect your privacy whilst using all of your devices. To get all of that with really fast speeds, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.